Hello. I'd like to talk to you today about some of the healthcare issues that I've been facing for several years, and it just sickens me that the government steps in and they dictate to the doctors that they can't use traditional therapies because some of the medications get abused, and then they start handing out these like antidepressant type medicines that just make people numb and disoriented, so their symptoms or complaints just kind of like fade away. And a few months ago I did another video about healthcare and this pain center I went to where they wouldn't give me any like pain medication for a chronic condition. Instead, they did these parvo type injections where they actually injected a steroid into my spine as a remedy for pain, and it was completely useless. And that was about 6 months ago. I'm still having the pain, and now where they did the injections on me, I have more pain. I mean, some days it's like arthritis. I can actually feel where the needle was stuck in me. And they actually made my pain worse. And the cost on that was $1,500 every time they did it. And that's just unacceptable. And well, also been having some other like anxiety type issues. I go to the doctor and they come out and say they can't give me some medicines, and I said, what kind of medicines? And they named off 3 or 4 that are commonly abused, and I just told her, I said, that, due to government regulations, it's nearly impossible to get anybody to dispense those. I mean, what can you do? And all I can do is refer me to some other crackhead specialist that gives me a bunch of atypical anti-psychotics that just make me ill. I mean, I don't understand how this improves the quality of life, other than sticking insurance money in the doctor's pocket. And that's the sad truth. Those injections I was talking about, they did it to me 3 times. My insurance company paid them $900 each time. And then they told me I was responsible for $700, and I said, well, you people are out of your damn mind. I come here for treatment. I didn't come here to bend over and get something shoved up my ass that doesn't even help me. And the same thing with these medical doctors, that they're more concerned with protecting their license or their DEA license than they are of helping people, because the state government at a state level says they can't prescribe medicines that help people. And 2 days ago, I had a bad anxiety problem while I was working, and it's happened more than one time, but yet none of the treatments these people will give me is of any help to me. I had the same situation 3 or 4 months ago, and I started some new medicines. It took like 3 times to get something that I could tolerate, and I'm still having the same problem. But yet, the medicine that helps me, nobody will prescribe it to me. And I'm just to the point where I'm just fed up with paying insurance premiums to pad the lifestyle of some doctor, because the state says they can't help people, or they think everybody's shooting dope from the pharmacy. These people are out of their damn mind, and if I apply for a job somewhere else, they automatically think I'm on dope. All they want to do is drug test people because they can. So where's the privacy? The issue I have is the entire medical community, if they can't explain something, automatically it's a mental disorder. You go to the mental doctor, and they say it's imaginary. So, explain to me how this improves the quality of life to keep going to the doctor. Pay $90 every time you go, and they give you a little sample packet, or they give you a prescription for something. If that don't work, you come back a week later, and they give you a different brand name. And I believe a lot of it comes down to the influence from the drug companies to pass out this crap that just turns people into zombies. I'm sick and tired of these people telling me I'm smacked out of my head. And half of it comes down to the side effects of all these drugs they keep feeding me. I'd be better off if I was out skittling cold medicine like half the teenagers. I mean, I can't even go to the drugstore and buy a bottle of cough syrup without somebody checking my ID because they think I'm abusing it. It's a sick world. And it's nothing more than a ploy to make everybody believe that they need all this treatment that is nonsense. If anybody out here can understand how to control anxiety without taking kava, which is a pepper, or valerian root, or some other non-regulated substance that's absolutely harmless, please let me know. Because I'm sick and tired of spending hundreds of dollars on healthcare that does not help me. I'd be better off to just sit around and be a deadbeat like half the people in this country. Thank you.